Hello everyone and welcome. And today we're going to work on how to create an Opera crypto wallet. Now, before you can use the crypto wallet sidebar panel in Opera GX for computers, you will need to create your own crypto wallet in your Opera for Android or Opera Touch for iOS browser. Now, if you want to create a crypto wallet in Opera for Android, you have to open your Opera for Android browser and select the Opera icon menu in the bottom right hand corner. Select Settings, then Crypto Wallet. Then tap the Open Wallet button and your crypto wallet is ready. You can now access it from the Opera icon menu. Now, if you want to create a crypto wallet in your Opera Touch for iOS, open your Opera Touch browser on your iOS device, tap the three dot menu in the upper right hand corner and select Settings. On the crypto wallet, tap the large button that says Activate and your crypto wallet is ready. Now you can access it directly from the three dot main menu. Now a 12-word backup phrase, also known as a seed phrase, will be created for you. This phrase is used to sign back into your Opera crypto wallet. It's very important to keep this phrase safe and secure. Opera will never ask you for your backup phrase. Should you ever lose your phone or have your phone stolen, therefore preventing you from accessing your wallet, this phrase can be used to restore your assets in a new wallet.